Want to turn your everyday photos into mind-blowing art with the power of AI? First, head over to Leonardo AI and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, navigate to the image generation section, usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the image-to-image feature. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an upload button. Click it to upload the photo you want to transform. Now, with your photo uploaded, it's time to tell the AI what you want to create in the prompt boxes below the image. Type in a detailed description of the artistic style you're aiming for, like oil painting, cyberpunk, or fantasy landscape. The more descriptive, the better. Experiment with the different settings. Prompt Magic can enhance your prompts. Guidance Scale controls how closely the AI sticks to your prompt, and Control Net lets you define the structure. Play around to see what works best for your image. Hit the Generate button and watch Leonardo AI work its wonders. It'll take a few seconds to process. And there you have it, your photo, reimagined as a stunning piece of AI art. Download your creations and share them with the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art tutorials.